Guys, do you want to hide the like count of a particular post or reel on the Instagram? So just don't worry, because in this video I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. Just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel, because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and come to a profile section, and in the profile select a particular reel or a post to whom you want to hide a like count. So just remember, the method is same for a post or a reel. Just select it and tap on the three dots on the top right, and then here you can see the option of hide like count after the archive option. Just simply tap on hide like count. So that's how you can easily hide like count of a particular post or reel on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.